Oyo, YouTube. What's good, YouTube? This is Boy Praise underscore dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kana uri mnyewan, please make sure to subscribe and like shakari. So you guys, I've been seeing my questions enyu akawanda singaite abamsenda ku comment section ye YouTube, kwese Facebook, Instagram. Guys, kana usira follow, please make sure to subscribe ku YouTube kwangu and like or comment or share. Also same as Instagram, praise makara everywhere, or praise underscore dude. TikTok question direko. Do you understand? So you guys, today I'm gonna be answering your questions, and I don't wanna make this video so long. Since my questions nyama katumira angangori my questions angakavunzwa in a way yakasiyana but achiro chinhu. So ndakwanisa makrema akawanda so but changu pindura nebasa acho. Do you understand? So you guys, first question anga ichiti praise, why did you relocate it? Guys, let me tell you this. Do you know the food for work? Doing it from South Africa. In South Africa, you won't be able to do savings. You can't do savings when you're working in South Africa because let's say your salary is 6,000 rand, then your rent is 3.5, your transport is 2.5, and then your food you need. Do you understand? Let's say you're working for 150 US, and then you're paying 75. You're paying 75 rent, and then you're paying 25 transport. You're 200, and then food. Not talking about my school fees, not talking about my other responsibilities that we have. So you won't be able to do some savings. That's the first thing. There's no freedom to do content in South Africa. There's no content actually. That's the other thing that are located. No freedom. There's no money. You understand? So it's just depression and stress. Stress is so already mountain, right? And then you'll be stressed with somebody. So that's the first thing. You understand? So if your question is so praise, when are you coming back to South Africa? Guys, it's better to suffer and but what I know is kutsoka kwanchate koko nechitsoka whether vacation kuzodya mari yeYouTube kana uchinge kwaita special function, like if one of my friends is marrying, hunge ndichida futi kudzokera ikoko because that place ga ameno zvairi handobudi kuzone zvayo. And then the other question I have is praise, where are you staying in the Uganda? So I'm staying here in Ushokunze and Uganda homes yangu. I think ndayakudza izvo. And then till kana chingera zokwanisa kunyaso unozasi kuzonyasora and settle maybe next month material yacho, and then I will tell you kwanchaenda content yakatozvimirireo. So I don't have to give you content chimbanya there's more content chao ya buying furniture, relocating, what there's a lot to come. You understand? So yeah, currently do want to go and then other question I got to praise shattering meet and greet. Amana, you need a more free town Dopinde. You understand? Hit me DM karita meet and greeting ngataure tinzo. And then hanzi ko praise msikana chicha amana vasikana zara South Africa ne Zimbabwe amana kwese kunasikana amana pane kusina vasikana. You understand? And then the other question hanzi praise ko why usina kustory ni hama, why is there's no air relative yakazotoa report. Guys, that was late around 1-2 pamwe nakade kumuka kuti awezotore, plus that's why there's InDrive. You understand? InDrive ndo zvakangonakira, unongo requesta utoera se urutora from point A to point B. Do you understand? So there's no need yekunya kuwara sereka but kuyozotorwa kana chi, plus takadzidzo dzimwe nzendo dzotaura madzoka probably pamwe anga uri kumboisa kumbozondotoya toke kana ndasvika ndomufambira ndoitewo tovafambe madeko totaura nzendo tadzoka we don't publish takuya zera sese pamwe kutokudze kwandakatoitaka pamwe natoka ne 1 month ndiri muno muZimbabwe, no one knows. Nendiri kana 10 steps ahead of everyone. Do you understand? So yeah. And then the big question manje engekanzi about cars. So about the big questions. And I think you all know about that Nissan Almera yakarovero. And then kutorero kwakatoite koko, it's costing a lot kuti gathering with the process, what the insurance, and you know kuti mazimba toite magweja atina mapapers akwana. You understand? And then pandakaona kuti this is gonna cost a lot, ndaona hapana chekuzvinetsera. So about the Nissan yakaroverwa neSuzuki amamakona madezapera. That's why I was address about that Suzuki because I was still in the process of finishing the deal, in fact. And then so what like happened is like the deal arinozopera reSuzuki, so we had to do reverse deals ASAP, you understand, arinozopera. And then since rare mabhadharo atafanira kuitana, and then yeah, that's when I started kuadresa iro upe update already kuti that's my second car or the other car. Ndakangosiya zvakadaro pasina update ndakupai. But then about the Nissan Almera, mota yakatodyirwa mari because repairing it, kuipanel beat kuita sei and stuff, you know, inenge yatore lot, and futi kana mota ingamborohera kuzopendwa kudzoka value pane pasina value, understand. So pasina mota iripo, mari yacho takatenderedza and we invested in something chachazokudza pamberi apo kana zvinge zvabuda. Sizondambotaura kuti nzendo tinotaura kana chiketa chose kana chiketa dzoka, do you understand? So yeah, do the answer about the cars. I think you got the answer. And yeah, I don't wanna hear you muchindibvunza zvakare, man. You stress me. You understand? Okay, let's go to the other question. The other question I Praise, how are you mentally? I don't mean to be rude. I'm okay, like 100% fine. Ndikuzvitofaya storyboard ndiribo, and I feel so relaxed and there's no stress. You want 20 takuona na 26.5 dhori ratotonokwa message inokorotoona lenders kuti wazodiko mukomana boy iri marenders. So yeah, mentally I'm doing fine, I'm doing okay, everything is fine. And the praise, how is Zim? Man, I don't want to lie, Zim is fine, but for you to survive here in Zim, you should be financially stable. What do I mean when I say you should be financially stable? A lot of people are one, there's a lack of employment. Ndakona pa video rakona rakapedzera kushare, people they were throwing mashades kwandiri vachindituka what, but yes, there's lack of employment in Zimbabwe, but you can be your own boss, you can create your own employment in Zimbabwe. Do you understand? Chaka business kako, tengesa musika, open ka salon, ka baba, ka chichichichi, you can do that. But chinhu one chandavana chikunya kurwadza basi data. Yo, data is very expensive. Do you know that 5 gig as the net one is costing $7? And 5 gig is also, if you upload one video, it's finished. It's like it's depleted, there's nothing. So I'm spending almost like 7 years a day if I'm uploading. You won't believe it, but that's what's happening. Do you understand? So ndochi nchikurwadza so far panyaya data. Yo, that's crazy. And then someone was asking me, praise wamboenda unoite kuzimu kwacho neko pane zvimwe zvekunongodzoka kapasina zvakunoita. Guys, I don't know why people are vachi underrate or vachisaiza content creation. Content creation utori basa rakatozvimirira roro, rekuti unotomuka wotogeza wotobata kamera wototi I'm posting for a living. You understand? So yeah, those ndatodzokera izvozvo, making content, making YouTube videos, tori basa iro charobhadhara reni nekuisa food patable. Do you understand? So I think my question you answered. To make content. So if you don't watch my ads, I'm gonna die in that. Because no group do you understand? Yes, do basa racho na YouTube, it can make money into my machine. You understand? So yeah, let's go into the next question. And then others were saying, Banje, please, Sinama, beachy and stuff. Are you gonna survive or adjust to life? Guys, ndakuya kujoza ndingwana mudiki, ndakaenda kujoza ndakura boys, takakurira muno, ndiri kugeto it by birth, by blood, until death. Do you understand? So there's no any situation that I can't survive in Zimbabwe. It's just that zuva rundirova hit what ndakuita hit rush and stuff. It's just 2 minutes ndatojaira ndatodzoka muposition anandikuda. So I will survive. Hapana chinanzi hakuna mamoza akanaka atina basa nazvo chimangeto izi, as long as pane bolonso patable, the rest is drama. Do you understand? And then someone asked a very important question, and the praise, so are you still gonna be monetized? You watching nzvimbo waenda kuZimbabwe since you're in South Africa, asikuzo affect monetization yako, richaramba monetized. Guys, you should know that YouTube is very different from Facebook. Once uchinge wawana monetization yeYouTube haife yakabva, kuti ibve unenge watopiwa 3 chances dzekutyora mutemo, zvonyazoti watyora mitemo pa 3 chances dzacho idzodzo you can appeal. Kuzoona wanzo vharwa monetization, maybe unenge watoposta kana phone, unenge watoposta maybe mafilimu, wopiwa mastrike, wapiwa 3 mastrike zopandozobvarwa YouTube yako. Monetization yeYouTube iri so stable zvokuti haukuona chekutya undozoti iri ritori basa rakatonaka. Kuzoona wanzo vharwa monetization yeYouTube, isaidza unenge wapiwa 3 macopyright strike, unenge waparamba usha 3 dzawatadza kuapila futi. Do you understand? So monetization YouTube charamba ndinayo nyamara kaenda kuDamascus ndakaenda kunogara kupi chero kwamurehwa ndoramba ndine monetization YouTube iyoyo because aibe haisi sensitive like zvoita monetization Facebook. That's why I'm telling people that take my course. I'm giving course and ndinongona ndotodzidzisa so far bafoni. Those who want me to teach them bakwavo, if you are financially stable, do your in-drive. I can't use public transport kuti ndiselekte kuchitumbisa kuelo ndindobirwa foni yangu kana ndindorasika momo vanhu vane content ndiri makombi ndichirasika. You know the feeling yekuti conductor uzondudzoka kana tasvika pachigowanyika. If you see kuti you are not comfortable enough, I mean you are not financially stable to call me or to do Uber for me from Baba Pedu kuenda kubakoine kudzoka gara wacha ndikuitele sendra kubafoni. You understand? That's what I'm saying. Amana, those who want to make content, I'm giving my courses from as little as but come to my DM and make sure if you're coming to my DM we'll go to the back. So praise do same thumbnail. I can't accommodate you all, I can't reply you all. That's what I'm saying. Join my course if you wanna be helped on how to make content creation, right? If you wanna be a content creator with YouTube and then if you want to know that achieve to Mondays, how do you grow and stuff, I'm helping you with that. Those who are willing to, I'm not forcing anyone. That's only one want to share now so far. So yeah, if you wanna learn more about YouTube, you're watching the videos that that's YouTube. How do we get monetized? Do you have monetization in Zimbabwe? Yes, you have monetization in Zimbabwe. Monetization is single more DM Facebook, it's single in Zimbabwe. YouTube, you have monetization in Zimbabwe. Do you understand? So yeah, I like to monetization which I am on now. Monetization charamba ripo and charamba kasara. So you guys, thank you for watching my videos to the end. If you have more of the questions, keep on asking me Instagram, or I mean I'm gonna put a Q&A or mnokwanisa kubvunza zvakare comment section muno YouTube. I'll be going through all the comments. I just want to thank everyone. I'm sending my stickers, everyone. I will support everyone. I want my aids and stuff. Man, sending love to you all. This is more content to come, guys. Sometimes it's because of the network, or it's because of the data cost, or it's because of internal coding that. So please write down my content ideas. I'm not going to put and I'm gonna do the craziest contents ever. That's what I was discussing with my younger brother. Amana chipoko zvinoexista, so ini ndaita hazviexiste. Vamwe vachitotozviona takatochiona chipoko marasha amana hazvinese. What I'm gonna do, right, inini tienda kune yekumbudzi uone takamera mendoenda nono kuti nhasi tiri muno mumbudzi takutsvaga zvipoko muno mutondo zvinoexista. Amana, tell me down in the comment section if you want that video. We're gonna go there around 7 manheru and tichazvitsvaga usati tazviwana zvinoexista here kubva unotangira mbudzi kusvika unopera tiri mumakwemo. So that's the other content I need to do, guys. The funny content, the most entertaining content ever. My couples is singing phones are testing bababa. You have to test bababa. That's not a tower and more content is coming. Those who are willing to do content with me and they are and also baba yo. I also pick up lines and stuff. You know, content hit my DM if you're a good content creator. I don't gonna create. And then yeah, please guys, tell me my content ideas about this. And I'm willing to occupy content even every day. You understand? Just wait for me to do my adjustments, and then maybe next month and let them move out to stay in there and stuff. And then chatocha. Because right now I'm not even comfortable enough to do content, even to record. You can see no one is taking this thing serious because no one knows what it can make money in time is around money. Two zema pay out because no one takes this thing serious. It's very underestimated. Is it underestimated? Okay, chimicha chikosheswe especially in Zimbabwe. Toza munhu content creators not makisi. But kana guys nanya so comfortable enough nanya so na pando nanya so garantry iron. I'll be giving you a lot each and every day. Kana just on a Wi-Fi, I'll be giving you each and every day. Do you understand? So I beg guys, thank you for watching the video and please like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have more and more of the questions, make sure you hit my DM or Instagram or TikTok, wherever, or ask in the comment section there. Road to 9,000 subscribers. We're not playing. And yeah, there's more and more to come. Don't forget to join my course. Let's go, baby.